Here's a step-by-step guide on how to take a trade in FNO, futures and options, trading, * prerequisites *. 1. Open a trading account with a broker that offers FNO trading. 2. Fund your account with sufficient margin money. 3. Choose a trading platform, e.g. web, mobile, or desktop. Step-by-step process *. 1. Log into your trading account and select the FNO segment. 2. Choose the underlying asset, e.g. stock, index, or currency. 3. Select the contract type, futures or options. 4. Choose the expiry date, near or far month. 5. Select the strike price, for options. 6. Decide on the trade type, buy or sell. 7. Enter the quantity, number of contracts. 8. Set the limit price, optional, or market order. 9. Confirm the trade details. 10. Execute the trade. Additional tips * 1. Ensure you have sufficient margin in your account. 2. Understand the lot size and contract value. 3. Set stop loss and target levels. 4. Monitor and adjust your trades as needed. 5. Close your trades before expiry, if not intending to hold.
Important. FNO trading involves risk, and it's essential to educate yourself and develop a trading strategy before entering the market.